Look at this beautiful mess. Look at it. I'm even out of breath. How messy this place is. Things are out of order. Not where they're supposed to be. Look at this. Look at this table. Look, better view. Now let's clean this up. Let's get rid of these fall decors and keep this clean until we decorate for Christmas. Let's go.
Come, all ye faithful, joy.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Gladys here. I'm super excited to have you guys back. Guys, we are getting ready for Christmas, but prior to that, we need to get rid of anything that is fall-ish decoration. So this, as I started this year to decorate my fall decor, was upstairs. Now to get rid of it, I'm starting also upstairs. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. I am a mama of 3, and here I show you guys how to live the simple, minimalistic lifestyle. If it does anything that interests you, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. So many videos are coming to inspire you guys for Christmas and the New Year starting up. I can't wait to bring those content to you. This is why I'm so excited to get rid of this fall, because I'm like, oh my God, these people will love this upcoming video. So let's continue watching, guys. So what I'm doing right now is getting rid of anything that is home decor wise, and then I will go ahead and start cleaning. You know how we do it here. In order for us to be able to decorate or do anything, we have to clean it all the way from top to bottom. You hear any type of noises, it's my kids, and also the heat is on, so you might hear that in the background. But guys, have you started decorating for Christmas yet or not? I just want to ask that question because a lot of people, when I realize, decorate for Christmas in December and get rid of the decor in December. That is a waste of money and time. Enjoy your home, enjoy your Christmas decoration. So what I do is I decorate in November, usually November 10, 11-ish, and I enjoy it the way to December, the same way I did it for fall. I decorated around October-ish, and then I go all the way to November. So I really want to enjoy my home, and I don't want to just decorate for 1 month. I think it's a waste of money. So that's the question for you guys in the comment. Let me know, what do you guys do? Guys, since this is a cleaning video, give me your best cleaning tips. Listen, I would take your advice any day. There are certain part of my house where I just want to pull my hair out. Some stains are not coming out. So give me your best cleaning tips to clean anything, your old grandma tips, your mother's tips, your own tips that you had created yourself. I would love to hear it. Let's continue watching the video, guys.
So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Guys, when I see this view of my home, it just brings me so much joy. I don't see any clutter. I don't see anything that would just stress me out. And that's exactly how I like it. I know I love the holidays. I love me some Christmas, fall decor, and even spring, all of that. But seeing like plain surfaces, blank walls, and blank slate, things like that, it just brings me so much joy. Also, this vacuum, guys, please don't mind me if you see me holding the handle of it. It's because some of the screws of the handle came out, and I'm not purchasing a new vacuum. It works perfectly, but I just need to find a correct screw that will go in there without coming out. So it keeps coming off, so I have to hold it, or when I pull it, it's gonna come off. So upstairs is all good to go, all clean, and I just have to remove all the decoration from downstairs, and I'm good. So right of what I did here, I even forgot to clean this mirror, but I will clean the mirror when I do my Christmas decorate with me. I just moved it. It was right here, as you guys saw. I just put it right there. Just keep it simple, just a lamp on its own. This throw blanket ladder was to my right, and I think it looks super cute here because I do not want to crowd right here because this is where I'm going to put my Christmas tree. So I removed it, just cleaned my table, kept it very small. Guys, since I got this IKEA table, it has super, super duper changed my life. The simplicity, the keep up of it, the minimalistic keep up of it, it's just amazing. There's less to do. All I have to do is remove dust and I'm good to go. I mean, I really, really love the chairs. I don't have to worry about stain. Durability is great. Guys, I just love this. As you guys know, I love blue. The cool blues, like this light blue, I have it in the chair. The dark blue, I also have it in the chair. The dark blue chairs are right here. The light blue chairs are actually downstairs. What I did here was just simply vacuum, remove everything off the table. For me to be able to decorate, I have to be able to see a blank slate. So everything is out. I thought through all my Christmas decoration, how I'm going to decorate it. So now we just have to decorate. So everything is all clean and all ready to decorate for. So I'm just going to keep it here like this for a couple of days, couple of weeks before I decorate for Christmas. I'm not in the Christmas mood to decorate yet, but I'm definitely ready to get rid of anything fall and just enjoy my home. Just a little quick tip, if you feel like you're going from season to seasons, seasonal decoration to seasonal decorations, just remove anything that is seasonal decoration. Wait a couple of weeks. Just enjoy the decor on its own with nothing. Yes, my couch has no pillows and my chairs have no pillows, and I couldn't love them any more than they are. I love it like that. Do that, and then you'll be able to see, you know, how you truly miss decorating for whatever season is coming up. Then you'll be able to decorate for it with no problem at all.
Come, all ye faithful.